So today is Friday, April 19th. We are spotted at Lupe. Apparently we decided to eat as a family. See? Everybody's here. And we're eating food. That's daddy's food. That's mommy. That's Kevinta. Chicken. Spam. Fish. Cake.
Yun na.
Video.
Yun lang, yun.
And yeah, we're just out here. We're vibing. You know what I'm saying? What's up? Thank you for watching my vlog. Subscribe and please comment down below whatever it is you want to say and hit me up. Thank you. Or no, don't hit me up cause sorry, I had phlegm. Oh yeah, here, talk to. Hi. You're on video, mommy. I'm taking a video for memory. Oh, and that's Mechino.
All I can tell you is, who's this?
That's my phone. She's
What are you doing?
recording.
I'm recording you.
Okay, move.
Okay, that was Rechino. He's the bomb. He's in the Navy. Like, he's so awesome. He's a good role model. You should look up to him because he's a very good brother of mine. Very dedicated, a loving brother. He gives mom everything she needs, and that's what a mother needs. A son like him. Yeah. Anyways. I'm vlogging. Okay. You know, apparently they're chickies. I don't think they did. Anyways, yeah, we're vlogging. They don't know what vlog means. Only YouTube.
Can you open the water?
And yes, I'm gonna open the water.
When was this?
Mom. Oh, and it's mango season. So like, we are eating mango. We forgot our Kool-Aid at home. You should really try this out. It's so good.
I know what it percents. I just got something else. No, because I'm always on
Anyways,
my phone.
thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna end my live. I mean my vlog. That's Chibono, Kaiten's soon-to-be wife. You know what I'm saying? If things pull through, and God's willing, you die. She thought too. Anyways, yeah. If y'all didn't know, that's Oya's girlfriend. Bro, we out here making fun of their boyfriends. Hi. Oh, he said not to go away. That means don't yell. Embarrassing. So I'm gonna go. Bye. I don't know what finger was that, but that was pretty good. If you watch this, because I'm gonna post it, which it should be on right now. But yeah. I'm not gonna end it yet. I'm still eating. Thank you. That's my sister, my two older sisters. That's the real one. That's the real one. On the second notice, you know, first is the worst, second is the best. I'm the best one. And If you're watching this, I'm not using any effects. It's just how I look. So. Another phlegm came through. You guys want some? No. She's watching me in the corner. She's like, dude, this girl's so stupid. I know. She's just really acting like she wasn't just watching me how many seconds ago. I know. Yeah, she admitted. This girl named JV, she keeps laughing at me because she thinks I'm stupid, but she's stupid.
You're wasting my memory.
She just said I'm wasting her memory. I'm her sister. How do I waste her memory? She just came from church and she did that. Oh my gosh, God bless you. But yeah, we're on Guam. Tomorrow morning we're gonna fly to Manila for church. Tomorrow, okay, so today we just flew into Olupeg. In how many hours? In how many hours we're going to fly to Jigo? Because our flight is in like 2 minutes. So we better get on the car because that's our plane, you know. Anyways, we're gonna fly to Manila tomorrow morning for church. It's about to be lit, you know, turn up.
You're gonna have the best vlog.
Right? Tell me about it. Anyways, we're gonna fly to Manila, have church, because you know God is good all the time. You wouldn't be watching my vlog if it wasn't for God, so you better start praying and thanking God for your life. Because you know,
You went with the friend.
yeah,
Friends.
start going to church and start praying, or even if you don't go to church, just talk to God. Okay?
Yeah.
But yeah, thank you so much for watching my vlogs. It's pretty boring, but it's the first. Keep watching and you're gonna love it. They think I'm tired of talking to myself and looking at myself, but no, I'm not. Because I love myself more than anybody else can. I am so weird, but I think I'm still gonna post this because yeah. And she's back at it with her wasting my memory. Maybe I should just go bye.
Might as well create one. I'll create one.